Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you completely back up your Google or Gmail account before you lose it. Google takes measures to protect user data, but the company is not infallible. You could lose it all to accidental deletion, account issues, or other unforeseen circumstances. It's up to you to take responsibility for your account security and use best practices, such as strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and more importantly, backups. But before that, make sure you have enough Google Drive storage. Check that you have enough space to accommodate the data you intend to backup. You'll prevent incomplete and corrupted backups this way. Typically, you receive 15 gig of free storage space for Google Apps when you create a new Google account. You'll share this space across Google Drive, Photos, and Gmail for no cost. It's enough for casual and light use. Long-term users, students, and professionals often need more. Since Google Drive holds all your files and uploads, it can run out of space quickly without an upgrade. Google One manages the backup process on your phone or tablet and offers different storage plans when you run out of space. Your backup includes contact details, call histories, SMS, and MMS messages, along with a variety of pictures and videos. It also keeps device settings like Wi-Fi networks, passwords, display preferences, input settings, and more. Here's how to back them up on your phone. Open your device settings menu, scroll down, and tap Google. Now, tap on Backup. The Backup by Google One toggle is on by default. If it isn't, turn it on and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Your Google account appears below the toggle, along with your device's name and the last time your device performed a Google backup. The menu also lists app, call history, and other backup details. If you are an infrequent user or switch between phones regularly, enter the menu weekly and tap Backup Now. It guarantees that your account's most recent data is safe. Warning: Google deletes your backups if you don't use your device for 57 days. You'll also lose them if you turn off the Backup by Google One button. Your Google account contains personal information and links to various online services. You'll want to be proactive in securing it. A multi-tiered backup strategy, both local and remote, actively shields your data from threats. But it's enough to spread out your data. You'll also want to update the operating systems, applications, and devices hostings it to the latest security patches and versions. This way, you leave little or no room for malicious entities to exploit their vulnerabilities. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.